ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணு.
Once upon a time, a big elephant made her way into a dangerous forest. It was new to her and she wanted to make friends. So she went inside the forest in search of friends. As she was walking, she saw a monkey and tried talking to him. Hello, monkey. Would you like to be my friend?
You are too big. You cannot swing like me, so I cannot be your friend.
The elephant then went to a rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit, will you be my friend?
You are too big to live in my burrow, so I cannot be your friend. I am scared of you.
The elephant saw a frog in the pond. Frog, frog, please take me as your friend.
You cannot leap like me, so I will not be your friend.
The elephant was so sad because she has no friends. I am very big. Nobody likes me. Nobody wants to play with me.
Then one day she saw all animals running for their lives in the forest. Seeing that, the elephant stopped the deer and asked her,
Hey dear, what happened? Why are you all running?
There is a tiger in the forest. He is trying to eat us. Please help us.
The elephant went to the tiger and said, Hello, Mr. Tiger. Please don't hurt these innocent animals.
You move aside. They all are my food. I am going to eat them all. Ha ha ha.
The elephant got angry. With all her strength, she kicked the tiger. The tiger flew in the air and fell down far away. On seeing this, the animals were very happy and all of them became friends forever.